Meaning of detestation.
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 Detestation. Detestation is a strong feeling of dislike, aversion, or hatred towards someone or something. It generally refers to a deep-seated, intense feeling of disgust or abhorrence that goes beyond mere dislike. People may experience detestation towards individuals, groups, ideas, behaviors, or objects. It can be caused by various factors such as past experiences, personal values, cultural norms, and societal influences. Detestation can lead to avoidance, aggression, or other negative behaviors towards the disliked object or person. Overall, detestation is a powerful and often unpleasant emotion that can have significant impacts on individuals and relationships.